Welcome to the first installment of this project, or hopefully a future project, if the damage is not too severe. First off, I'm going to get the horribly crumbling bumpers off of this car, and I'm going to send them out to Tommy Martin of MSRRC, who is going to attempt to 3D print new ones. So I'm going to put a link to his channel below. Everybody just cheer him on, because he's going to have his hands full trying to do something with this. This is quite bad. He's going to have a puzzle. I hope he likes puzzles. Tommy? I really hope you like puzzles. Alright. Underneath, it looks like the bumper's just held in with 3 screws. There's probably some glue that's holding it in the corners. The headlight bulbs themselves, I'm probably just going to cut the wires and just leave them in there, along with the headlight lenses and taillight lenses. I'm just going to clip them and just wish him the best. So I'm going to start pulling everything off of this car, this rear door and everything. I've already looked up basically what I want to do with the back of the car. Pretty much all of this is coming off. Oh, here's some more pieces, right where it belongs, in the coffin. Cool. Hopefully I find more pieces, because it looks like we're missing a few. I'm just gonna start putting pieces away. I'm going to carefully flip the car over, and we're going to switch to the bench cam now. Gosh, I love having 3 cameras. It sure helps sometimes. Now I'm going to go ahead and gently try to remove some of these screws, trying very hard not to break the body of the car, which has shrunk over time as all of the oils in the plastic have seeped out, drying out the plastic. It has no elasticity left in it. I will have to reinforce the body if I do not want it to suffer the same fate as the bumpers, as you would say. Very hard to get the shot without blocking it, so I apologize for the horrible camera angles. Oh, and also that noise in the background, that's my space heater, because apparently winter has finally found its way to Texas. Who knew? Yeah, it was like 64 degrees the other day, and all of a sudden the wind blew in, and now we're down to 20. So everybody's panicking, running around dressing like Eskimos, buying up all the toilet paper, you know, sacrificing their firstborn, winter stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and just clip these lights. I might actually just put different lights in here. I know I've changed them before because they've burned out a few times. I remember they did. This car was used a lot, has quite a lot of miles, and wow, look at all the masking tape. I was a dumb kid when I put this thing together, so it's quite poorly constructed. Carefully trying to remove the bumpers. Oh, and it broke some more. Good thing there's rubberized cement here, or else that would have fallen off. I might try to put some super glue on here just to try to make Tommy's life a little bit easier, or just build up some hot glue underneath, just because this is quite bad. This is really bad. There's the grill in all of its horribleness. I'm going to go ahead and cut, man, that is really hard. I'm going to go ahead and cut the rear wires. Leave myself a little room here. Cut off some of the dumb kid stuff. Big blobs of tape. I like to solder things and use heat shrink now, you know, like adults do. all this wiring is going to be replaced. Now, it looks like we have a post here that has glue on it. And this might get a little interesting. So I'm going to just... The classic way to get amazing goop off is to grab it and like rotate it around some pliers. I may be cutting this post. Yeah, we're going to have to... Oh well. Screw it. It doesn't want to come off. Alright. Carefully unscrew this. Put some DuPont silicone lubricant, because the plastic has shrunk up so much it will not let loose. I don't want to lose the mounting point for this bumper. Well, here she is in all of her stripped down bumperless glory. Some of the other plastic rot did rear its ugly head. This piece of trim cracked in half and fell off, and now we do have a crack running up one door. So I'm gonna have my hands full trying to preserve this car. It's very apparent that it's not going to last forever, but we'll be able to probably save it long enough for my son to play with it for a couple years, and then it's probably just going to turn to dust. But oh well. I will do my best to make it last. I'm going to get the quite destroyed bumpers packed up. I'm going to send them out to Tommy Martin of MSRRC. Again, I'm going to put a link to his channel down below. Hopefully he'll make videos of his endeavors. If not, I mean, whatever. Just go in there and like all his videos and give him positive feedback, because he is going to have quite the job on his hands here. That is quite a big mess. So, hopefully you enjoyed the first installment of this project. Hopefully it doesn't deteriorate entirely before the end of it, but I will do my best. As always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you guys next time.